Welcome to another episode of the Daily Dose by Velocity Technologies. I'm your host, Angelo, here in the heart of Tempe, Arizona. Joining me, as always, from Tucson is Nia. How are you doing today, Nia?
Hey, Angelo, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Excited to be here today as we tackle an increasingly pressing topic in the world of cybersecurity, cyber insurance and its role in defending against ransomware attacks.
Absolutely, Nia. With ransomware attacks on the rise, understanding the dynamics of cyber insurance is crucial. For our listeners, this isn't just about understanding what cyber insurance is, but also how it fits into the broader strategy of business resilience.
That's right, Angelo. And for those just tuning in, we're diving into how the cyber insurance industry impacts a company's ability to recover from ransomware attacks, which, as we know, can be devastating if not managed properly.
Let's start by grounding our listeners in what ransomware is. At its core, ransomware is a type of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid. Often, attackers will encrypt files and demand a ransom for the decryption key.
Exactly, Angelo. The impact can be catastrophic. Businesses might lose access to critical data, suffer operational downtime, and experience significant financial losses. What's even more concerning is that paying the ransom doesn't always guarantee data recovery or system restoration.
Correct. And with ransomware as a service markets growing on the dark web, these attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent. This brings us to the role of cyber insurance as a protective measure.
Cyber insurance is designed to help businesses mitigate losses from a variety of cyber incidents, including ransomware attacks. It typically covers costs like ransom payments, data recovery, business interruption losses, and more.
Right, Nia. These policies can also cover legal fees, public relations efforts to manage reputational damage, and sometimes even regulatory fines. But not all policies are created equal, and understanding the nuances is vital for businesses.
One key aspect to consider is the scope of coverage. Some policies may only cover ransom payments, while others might extend to include comprehensive post attack recovery processes. It's important for companies to thoroughly evaluate what is and isn't covered. Oh,
And let's not forget about the exclusions, Nia. Certain policies might exclude coverage for acts of war or terrorism, which some insurers might classify certain ransomware attacks under. Businesses need to scrutinize these terms closely.
absolutely, Angelo. Another crucial factor is understanding the determinants of insurance premiums. Several variables might influence premiums, including a company's industry, annual revenue, and existing cybersecurity measures.
Right. Companies with robust cybersecurity frameworks may benefit from lower premiums because they are perceived as lower risk. This incentivizes businesses to continually improve their security postures.
Let's shift our focus to how cyber insurance contributes to resilience. At its best, cyber insurance can provide businesses with a safety net that helps them recover more quickly after an attack.
That's true, Nia. By covering immediate financial losses and offering resources for recovery, insurance can help businesses maintain continuity and protect their reputation.
Rapid recovery is one of the most significant benefits. Insurance can facilitate quicker access to funds needed for system restoration and data recovery, minimizing downtime and helping businesses get back on track faster. And
Yes, downtime can be incredibly costly, not just in terms of lost revenue, but also in terms of customer trust and brand reputation. Insurance plays a key role in mitigating these risks.
beyond financial support, cyber insurance often encourages better risk management practices. Insurers may require policyholders to adopt certain cybersecurity measures, effectively elevating overall security.
Precisely, Nia. This can lead to a more proactive approach in managing cyber threats. By meeting these requirements, businesses not only qualify for coverage, but also improve their defenses against future attacks.
Of course, while cyber insurance offers many benefits, it's not without its challenges and limitations. One major issue is the rapidly evolving nature of cyber threats, which can outpace policy coverage conditions.
That's a great point. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, insurers and policyholders alike need to keep pace with these changes to ensure policies remain effective and relevant.
Ambiguity in coverage is another concern. Sometimes what is covered under a policy can be unclear, leading to disputes when claims are filed. It is crucial for businesses to work closely with insurers to clearly define coverage terms.
And let's not overlook the possibility of denial of claims. Insurers may deny claims if it's determined that policyholders failed to maintain adequate security measures. This underscores the necessity of understanding policy requirements fully.
Rising premiums are also a significant challenge. As ransomware attacks increase, so do the costs of insurance. This can be a barrier for smaller businesses with limited budgets.
True. Balancing affordability with comprehensive coverage is a challenge many businesses face. Companies need to weigh the cost of premiums against the potential losses from a cyber attack.
Looking ahead, the cyber insurance industry is likely to continue evolving in response to emerging threats and the growing demand for coverage. We might see more tailored policies and innovative solutions to address the unique needs of varying industries.
Agreed. There's also the possibility of increased regulation in the cyber insurance market to standardize coverage and protect consumers. As the industry matures, it will be interesting to see how these changes shape the landscape.
Technology will also play a significant role in the future of cyber insurance. Advanced analytics and artificial intelligence could enable insurers to better assess risk and offer more personalized coverage options.
And as insurers leverage technology, policyholders should do the same. Integrating technology into risk management can enhance security and potentially influence insurance terms positively.
Lastly, educational initiatives could become a focal point. As businesses become more educated about cybersecurity risks and insurance options, they'll be better positioned to make informed decisions about their coverage.
Knowledge is power, after all. By staying informed, businesses can better navigate the complexities of the cyber insurance market and implement effective strategies to safeguard against ransomware.
Well, that was a comprehensive look at the impact of cyber insurance in the fight against ransomware, Angelo. I hope our listeners found it insightful.
Indeed, Nia. And as we wrap up, remember that protecting your business from cyber threats requires a multifaceted approach that includes insurance, robust cybersecurity measures, and ongoing education.
Speaking of cybersecurity measures, let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, Velocity Technologies. Whether you're in Tempe, Tucson, or anywhere else, Velocity Technologies offers a wide range of services to bolster your cybersecurity defenses.
From managed IT services to cloud solutions and cybersecurity consultations, Velocity Technologies can help ensure your business is protected from cyber threats. With their expert team, you can focus on what you do best, running your business, while they handle your technology needs.
Visit their website at www.velocitytech.grg/ to learn more about how they can support your company's cybersecurity strategy. Thank you, Velocity Technologies, for sponsoring today's episode. It does feel like
That's all for today's episode of The Daily Dose. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay secure.
take care, everyone.